Yeah, yeah. Jah Rastafari. From Egypt to Zion, hear the cry of the righteous. Freedom is coming. One time we suffer beneath Babylon's hand, heavy chains upon the children of the land. But I hear every tear and hear every prayer. Though the night was dark, him was always there. Pharaoh built him throne on pride and fear, but just send a prophet, make the message clear. Tell the ruler, loosen every soul, for Jah alone is king and him is in control. When the river tells you, Lord, still the wicked heart stay high. But Jah never fail his own, he'll always bring his children home. Let my people go, just say freedom overflow. Through the fire, through the sea, no chain can hold destiny. Lift your voice and let it show. Jah alone will break the yoke. From Egypt unto Zion show, we'll praise his name forevermore. Cloud by day and fire by night, Jah lead his children by his light. When the Red Sea stood so wide, faith stepped forward, fear stepped aside. Babylon army chased behind, thinking they could stop just time. But the waters obeyed his command, justice came by the master's hand. No weapon formed shall conquer we. Jah write the story of victory. Mountains move when his children pray. Darkness always fades away. The same God yesterday, still making miracles today. Hold the faith, don't lose your song. With Jah beside you, you'll stand strong. Let my people go, every nation needs to know. Mercy greater than the sea, truth will set the captives free. Raise your hands beneath the sky, lift this banner ever high. From generation unto generation, Jah is our salvation. From bondage to blessing, from sorrow to singing, from Egypt to Zion, Jah never fail. Freedom is not just a dream, it's the promise of the Most High. Jah Rastafari, let my people